Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel FM Electricals. In this video we are going to learn about refrigeration cycles. There are many AC in HVAC, but any AC works based on refrigeration cycles. From 1 ton AC to big chiller on, it's based on refrigeration cycles. Now it's clearly understand how it's work. The main functions of the refrigeration cycle is to absorb heat and reject heat. According to the law of thermodynamics, we do not cool the substance, we can only remove the heat from the substance. As the heat is removed, the object is cooled. Through the refrigeration cycles, we can remove the heat in area where we want to cool. This refrigeration cycle is also called a heat pump cycle. Now let's talk about its components. Mainly four main components of refrigeration cycles. They are evaporator, second one is compressor, third one is condenser, and last one is expansion valve. Now let's see from the compressor. The compressor increases the pressure and temperature of the refrigerants. The refrigerant enters the compressor at low pressure, low temperature and vapor state. The compressor compresses the refrigerant and sends it out. When it's come out of the compressor, the refrigerant at high pressure, high temperatures and vapor state. After the compressor, refrigerant goes to the condenser. Condenser coil is a heat exchanger in a refrigeration cycle. Condenser coil cools the refrigerant that coming from the compressor at high temperature. As the heat in the refrigerant is released, the refrigerant changes from vapor state to liquid state. When it's come out of the condenser, the refrigerant at high pressure, low temperature and in liquid state. After the condenser, the refrigerant goes to the expansion valves. There are many types of expansion valves are available in market. Thermal expansion valve is commonly used in many places. Thermal expansion valve is used to reduce the pressure of the refrigerant. By reducing the pressure, the heat will decrease. After the expansion valve, the refrigerant goes to the evaporator. The evaporator is the another heat exchangers in a refrigeration cycle. In evaporator, the refrigerants at low pressure, low temperatures and liquid state. In evaporator, the refrigerant absorbs the heat in the air and we get cool. The refrigerant enters the compressors and process start again. This is all about the refrigeration cycle, how it's work. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel FM Electricals.